Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on Monday, August 18th. I want to look at JCP here. As a lot of you know, this is a stock that I featured not last week, but the week before last on Cramer's Mad Money. Talking about this, like head and shoulder pattern. Wrong tool for the right job. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder somewhere along here. And I was noting that if the stock closes above 10 bucks, that's a great buy point. But I'd also said I don't think you need to wait for that because there's so much congestion here that buying on any little low here, below 10 bucks is a good thing to do as well. So the company announces earnings. They're up into the 10s after hours the next day. Stock opens up at 10 bucks. Stock opens up at 10 bucks on expiration Friday. That's going to get sold into. And I saw some people in our forum bitching, and I don't know if I can say bitching, let's say griping. Griping and moaning. Just pretend I didn't say that. Griping and moaning about the fact that the stock, they announce good earnings and, they think they're going to make a gang of money. Some of them did, a lot of them did actually on the short-term options, but then they sold into the strength. The bottom line is this, though. This is an analysis that's based largely on the weekly chart. Okay, when you're basing an analysis on a weekly chart, you're not going to get all lathered up over a daily chart or an intraday chart. If you want to make short-term trades, then use short-term charts. This is not going to help you. What I'm saying is this, that after a Friday where the stock opened great and closed kind of ugly, the following Monday here, there's no follow-through. There's like no follow-through. So if you look at this is resistance, this is support on the last little go-round, what do we have? Okay, we have the stock trading for 2 days on Friday as well as today on the close above this last resistance level and printing higher lows. So this is a stock I think that ultimately goes higher. If you sold some of your position on Friday because you thought the stock was going to 12 bucks and instead it went to 9.50, you may want to consider buying that back. I think JCP still works. Now you have, I would say, 87 cents a downside. What I'm really talking about is the 50-day moving average is at nine bucks. If the stock starts trading below that, then that might be telling you that JCP is still just going to be in congestion for a while. But I think this plays. I think this works. So we'll see what happens. If the stock, I'm even confident to say when the stock closes above 10 bucks, that's going to be a major buy signal, and I think that's a time to either add to your existing positions or to get long in general if you're not already. So, okay, members, over to the strategy session. We're going over airlines, biotech, retail, and refiners. There you go. And by the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor or Option Market Mentor, but are instead just getting these free videos, I'm going to start pounding the table and hammering you a little bit because you really need to get on the team. It's a good team.